Well, Heidi-ho everybody, and just in the nick of time, here's the final on my small scale group build. My lifelike hobby kits, Mercedes SSK Sportswagen, old kit, 1972 or thereabouts. There was some issues with it. It's an old kit. Some stuff, the chrome is already deteriorating on it. The tires are kind of misshapen and malformed. I think it's all just from age. There's a funny film on them I tried cleaning off. I used alcohol. I used all kinds of stuff. I mean, used acetone. The acetone might have been a bad idea because I think it actually shrunk one of the tires up a little more. So who knows? That tire may just crumble and turn to dust here in a little while. We'll see. But here it is. So that's the kit. Get that out of the way. And put that over there so it falls and breaks something. Alright. And let me zoom in here just a little bit tighter. And there we go. Something like that. How does that work? A little more. There we go. And there it is. Spin it around here. My hood is a little darker than the body. I had a paint mishap and had to strip the paint and redo it. Same primer, same paint, same can. Somehow it came out darker. All I can figure and attribute it to is maybe I got one or two coats too many on it than the other, and it came out a little darker. But that's what it's going to be. It came out pretty decent. I'm pretty happy with it. Kind of a finicky little thing. A lot more detail than I probably would normally expect for 132 kits. Went with the paint is the Tester's lacquer. The brown is the root beer. The gold is Inca Gold. The seats interior is just craft paint. I think it's Brandywine. And then everything else is just your normal Tamiya acrylics. That's it. The dash. I tried to match the dash and the steering wheel for wood. Sharpie marker, silver pencil, a little bit of Molotel chrome pen on the wheels for the rims, the outer rims, and a little bit of Molotel on the steering wheel. And that is it. Kind of had an idea for this color scheme on this, and I don't know. Maybe I should have done something different with the wheels. I think the wheels, I'm not happy with the wheels. But that's it. Let me pull the hood off. I had to modify the hood after getting things fit. I had to file a little off the front edge. I had to open up these. You can't even see what I'm not even. What am I talking about? What am I showing? Is Skip even on the camera? Here we go. Alright, so on the hood, I filed the front down a little bit to get it to fit in between there better. It was a little tight. These openings right here for the exhaust pipes, I had to open those up so that they would fit over there's another piece that goes on the frame there. You see it under there. And they wouldn't go over in between those. But so that's the hood. Issues with the hood. Not too big a deal. Just a little bit of time filing and reshaping. Of course, I had it already painted already. And already. Okay. So I just took my black Sharpie and did where I filed. Let's see. Oh, the exhaust is a major pain in the arse. It's 4 pieces. There's really no positive locations for it. There's a little bit of a location, so you at least know which ones go where on the engine. But trying to get those all positioned, and then also position this exhaust pipe, and there's nowhere to hang it. It's just, you just kind of put it on there. See, there's a misshapen tire. They're all kind of misshapen. The rear end, I actually had to reposition. It sat too far forward. The tires were hitting on the fender right here. So I had to modify the springs a little bit. I moved the rear end back as far as I could. It's right up into the gas tank. But it kind of positioned the tires a little bit better in the rear wheel opening there. And then of course detailing the engine out. Let's see if we can get in there and see some stuff or not. I don't know how good I'm doing here. I'm probably just confusing everybody. Everyone's running for the Dramamine. Hope I don't drop it and it goes into a million pieces. Can't even see what I'm showing here, can I? Let me see now. There we go. There's the engine. Try to detail it out as best I could. So I'm pretty happy with it. I didn't have high expectations for this kit. So actually I guess maybe I exceeded them. I'll say that. I'm not super 100% happy with it, but I'm happy enough. It exceeded my expectations, but I'm not happy. Does that make any sense? Anyway, yeah. Somebody needs some psychological help. And that is it. My 132 scale for the small group build. Small scale screw, blah, 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 blah. Alright, Skip. Need to have another drink. And there it is, everybody. So, let me know what you think. Hope somebody likes it. My wife loved it. She thinks it's one of my best ones yet, but, you know, what does she know? She's just an observer. She needs to stay in her sewing room. Sew stuff. There it is. So now I'm just wasting everybody's time. Taking minutes away from everybody's life. So there it is. On to the next finish. I got builds to finish. I guess I'll go on to the Pearl Harbor group build. And I got my Nova to finish. I got things to finish. I got tons of stuff started, nothing finished. So alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate everyone tuning in. And as always, if you want a shop card, my email will be in the description. Drop me a note and say, hey, Skip, I need some more junk mail. Send me something. Maybe one of those cards, and I'll do that. So again, thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll catch you later.